Then we have k, o, k, o, ko. Third tone, ko, ko means mouth. K, u, k, u is pronounced ku. Fourth tone, cool means cool. K, wa, k, wa is pronounced kwa. At the fourth tone, kwa, kwa means to stride, to step across. Now, these are pretty simple, so we go pretty fast. K, y, k, y, y, y. Fourth tone, y, y means fast. K, one, k, one. Be aware to stop the tongue on your teeth when you say the N sound. Quan, quan. This character, which means broad, fast, is pronounced with the first tone. Quan, quan, wang, wang, with the nasal sound. Wang, fourth tone, quang, quang, means frame. Here we have this u, e, which again is pronounced way, way. So we have k, way, way. First tone, way. It means to owe something to someone. And we have k, un, k, un, kun. Fourth tone, kun, kun, which means tired, exhausted. K, wo, k, wo, wo. Fourth tone, quo, quo, vast, immense.